Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a problem that plagues many Android users: bloatware. Those pesky pre-installed apps that come bundled with your phone, hogging storage space, draining battery life, and sometimes even slowing down performance. I'm going to show you a powerful method to reclaim control of your device and remove this bloatware without needing to root your phone. We'll be using a fantastic tool called Universal Android Debloater GUI, or UAD for short. This method is safe, effective, and relatively easy to follow, even for beginners. Now, before we jump in, it's crucial to address a quick disclaimer. This process involves making changes to your phone's system settings. While UAD is designed to be safe, there's always a small risk involved when modifying system files. Alright, let's get down to business. The first step is to enable developer options and USB debugging on your phone. These are hidden settings that allow your computer to communicate with your device. Go to your phone's Settings app. Scroll down to About Phone or About Device. This might be located under System on some devices. Find Build Number. This is usually at the bottom of the About Phone section. Now, tap on Build Number repeatedly, usually 7 times. You'll see a countdown and then a message saying you are now a developer. Now, let's switch over to your computer. We need to install ADB, or Android Debug Bridge. ADB is a command line tool that allows your computer to communicate with your Android device. I'll provide a link in the description below to a simplified ADB installer that makes the process much easier. Just download the installer appropriate for your operating system. Now, connect your phone to your computer using a high-quality USB cable. Make sure the cable is properly connected to both your phone and your computer. UAD should automatically detect your connected phone. If it doesn't, try these troubleshooting steps. Reconnect the USB cable. Restart your phone and your computer. Ensure USB debugging is enabled on your phone. Try a different USB port on your computer. Install the appropriate USB drivers for your phone. And there you have it. You've now successfully debloated your Android phone without needing to root it. Remember, this process gives you more control over your device and can significantly improve its performance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, and share it with your friends who might also be struggling with bloatware. Thanks for watching.